Guys, in this video it's all about aliens and the pyramids. Today I am going to tell you astonishing facts that tell us that there is some relation between aliens and the pyramids. Some of you might be thinking how it is possible or I'm gone mad, crazy, but after listening those facts you all might get it why I'm saying so, that there is some relation between aliens and the pyramids. So without wasting any time, let's jump into it. Number 1. The engineering wonder. The Pyramid of Giza was built 4500 years ago in Egypt and it stood as the tallest man-made building till 19th century. That means it stood the tallest man-made building for 3800 years. And on the subject of pyramids, if I wanna ask you that how many number crosses your mind if I wanna ask that how many pyramids are still standing on the earth's surface, you might all think about 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 25, but it is not the thing. The number is well more than 5,000. Yes, more than 5,000 pyramids are still standing on the earth's surface. Number 2. Stone that weigh more than an elephant. Guys, imagine a time with no advanced machineries, technologies and cranes that can lift these massive stones that weigh up to 5 to 10 tons. And some people think that there is extraterrestrial civilization those help these Egyptians to erect these massive constructions, because at that time there were no advanced machinery, and then also these people have erected these constructions, and it is shocking. Number 3. The intricate tunnels. Some of you might have listened that there are many tunnels inside these pyramids, and yes, it is true that there are many tunnels inside these pyramids, and nobody knows how many tunnels and how much deep long these tunnels are. But the researchers are still researching, and these tunnels are behold of hundreds of history and thousands of artifacts. Although the Egyptian authorities have excavated through it and hold of most of the commodities, but these commodities are not available for the common public. Number 4. Ancient air conditioner. The most interesting and astonishing fact about these pyramids is that despite of harsh fluctuating temperature of day and night, these pyramids maintain a constant temperature of 20 degrees Celsius, and say hello to the mother of ancient air conditioning. Number 5. How were they accurate 4500 years ago? The Egyptians used two constellations for aligning their pyramids in north-south direction. One was Big Dipper and second was Small Dipper. And with an accuracy of 0.05 degrees, and it was happened when the modern day precision tools were not even imaginable, and people think that extraterrestrials helped them for aligning these pyramids. Number 6. Alignment with the Orient. Guys, if you notice an image of the pyramid, you will notice above these three pyramids there are 3 stars of Orient belt. While creating a mimicry of these Orient belt, the Pyramid of Giza point directly towards these Orient belt. And guys, you know, people think from these 3 stars, on these 3 stars there is extraterrestrial civilization, and from these stars the aliens come and help these Egyptians to erect these massive constructions. Number 7. The location theory. Guys, did you know that the Pyramid of Giza is located exactly in the center of the planet Earth? And yes, it is true. Without any measuring tools and precision tools, it was happened 4500 years ago. Number 8. The weight of Great Pyramid. Guys, did you know that the Great Pyramid of Giza, that is Pyramid of Khufu, weigh up to 57,50,000 tons? And if you want a comparison between the Burj Khalifa weigh up to 5 lakh tons, and it is shocking. So guys, in this video I have that much to tell you. These were 8 astonishing facts that I want to tell you that tell us that there is a relation between aliens and the pyramids. Hope you guys enjoyed that. If you liked it, smash that like and subscribe to my channel. Hit that red, not only subscribe, hit that bell. You will be notified every time when I upload a video, and I'll see you guys in my next video.